Hey, are you looking for a good quality smartwatch from AliExpress? I have fixed the smartwatches of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. Those are very helpful for your daily life. All the links of the cool watches are in the description, below the video. In at number 5, the watch is Aliexpress MTK 252C ECG smartwatch. Recently this smartwatch price is $37.32. It has a 24-hour heart rate monitoring feature, which helps you to keep you healthy all day. It has an intelligent heart rate algorithm, whether you are resting or exercising. It can actually monitor heart rate through scientific big data. You can view the daily heart rate graph to protect your health. It also has ECG monitoring. If you feel chest pain, tightness, panic, suffocation, dizziness, then you can check the heart rate using PPG and ECG technology. Only 1-minute ECG examination is one of the commonly used examination methods and is widely used. You should monitor data only for reference only, don't use it for medical use. You can also monitor your different sleep stages like deep sleep, light sleep, etc. You can scientifically evaluate sleep quality and improve your sleep. You can exercise with the watch, can easily play music. You can remotely take photos with one click to keep every wonderful moment. It supports multiple sports whether you enjoy it in the gym or outdoors. If you like sports, it is a great device for you. It analyzes professional sports data which lets you exercise more scientifically. Recovery time refers to the time required for the body to recover fully after the exercise is completed. Recovery time reflects the state of physical fatigue during exercise. You can check your exercise time and distance of time between your exercise. You can also check the calories burned during exercise. Its scientific sports data provides exercise step amplitude, movement speed, and the changes in heart rate during exercise. 6 heart rate zones let you know your heart rate, comprehensive sports data and exercise status. Its data helps you to judge your training effect and provide a reference for. In at number 4, the smartwatch is Lemfo LEMD 2020 Sport Smartwatch. Now, its price is $59.99. It contains a pair of true wireless stereo earbuds inside the watch case. It gives precise real-time feedback on physical conditions of health rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and sleep. It has professional sensors to track your different workout data like running, walking, cycling, hiking, yoga, basketball, and elliptical. It has 0.9mm moving coil unit and professional tri-band tuning that works together for rich and crisp stereo sound. It offers protection from temporary submersion from water and splashes. It has rust-proof 316L stainless construction and scratch-proof tempered glass. It has a 1.3-inch thin film transistor screen which enables clear visibility when you are indoors or outdoors. It is a smartwatch with Bluetooth 5.0 headset, 360 by 360 high-definition screen, 350 mAh battery life, and many more. You can light up the screen by raising up your hand. It will work like a camera. It will give you a call and SMS reminder. You can do social sharing with Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, WeChat, etc. You can get sedentary reminders and monitor sleeping too. You can also check pedometer, calories, etc. It is compatible with both Android and iOS. It supports Android 4.4 and higher, iOS 8.2 and higher. Its waterproofing rate is IP67. In at number 3, the smartwatch is Lockmat NRF 52840 Sport Smartwatch. Already this smartwatch price is $79.99. It is a smartwatch that helps you getting access to important things without scrolling because it has a 72-degree flexible high-definition screen. It has a heart rate monitoring system, built-in optical heart rate sensor. It helps you to pay attention to your heart rate changes around the clock. You can also record your heart rate changes in each period on the Health Assistant app. It shows the method of pulse conductivity. It helps you to have a better understanding of your own health. It can also calculate the time of ECG detection to obtain blood pressure information. Incoming calls, text messages, WeChat, messages, etc. will be synchronized and will vibrate reminders without the need to check the phone. You can see the reminders by raising your hand. It has a real-time pedometer. It shows exercise data such as heart rate, exercise duration, mileage, speed, calories consumption, etc. at a glance. It has a multi-sport mode, 15 multi-sport modes that can record sports data in real time without the mobile phone. It is professional sports reports that make your training more targeted. It monitors sleep quality throughout the journey, records past sleep data, so you can plan a healthy life in the future. It's IP67 waterproof, so there is no need to take off the watch in daily hand washing and rain to meet all daily waterproof needs. It intelligently manages your life with its amazing features. You can check the weather and travel with confidence. Connect to Bluetooth and take pictures remotely, so that you don't miss any moment. You can play music through it, which lets you enjoy throwing away your phone. And at second place, the watch is Amazfit GTR 47 smartwatch. Now, this smartwatch price is $109.99. If you want the classic look of the traditional watch for sports and business use, it is the perfect one for you. It can be your trainer with a sports mood for running, walking, cycling, elliptical trainer, open water swimming, mountaineering, trail running, skiing, exercising. Its ultra-long battery life gives you 24 days of usage, which lets you say goodbye to the frequent charging. It tracks your health in 12 different sports modes to give you the most information about your health. It provides over 100 watch faces to fit the look you want. Its leather silicone quick-release straps give you a sweat-proof premium look. It also has a 1.39-inch AMOLED display with high 326 pixels per inch, 454 by 454 resolution with Corning Gorilla Glass and anti-fingerprint coating. 5 atm to bear 50 meters of water pressure, with only 1 or 3 of power compared to similar GPS chips. The 28nm Sony GPS chip is ultra-low power consumption, for 24/7 uninterrupted heart rate measurement more efficiently and with lower power. It has self-developed dual Hayatech technology. It is provided with built-in GPS, GLONASS to track your routes more accurately than satellites. It can also monitor your sleep to understand your sleeping pattern. It gives smart notifications to get all your important updates right on your watch. And at number 1, the watch is Skyrin Kirin X Smartwatch. Recently this watch price is $194.99. This smartwatch has 9 sport modes, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure measurement, and other commonly used bracelet functions. It can provide you with a fitness tracker, sleep tracker, message reminder, call reminder, alarm clock, heart rate tracker, 24-hour instructions, push message, etc. It is compatible with both Android and iOS. It consumes lower energy. It uses the newest zirconia material. It provides interactive music. It is an amazing smartwatch with some amazing features like an 8-megapixel dual camera, fast face recognition, 50 meters waterproofing capability, lower energy consumption, and many more. It has a 1.6-inch full touch screen and Wi-Fi hotspots and supports the latest version of Android 7.1. It also supports the Google app. This watch equipped with 3GB RAM and 32GB ROM. MT6739 processor, optimized CPU. It also has a true IP68 waterproof level. It supports video high definition call. It supports JPG, PNG, GIF as picture format and MP4, ERM as video format. It supports MP3, WMA, FLAC as audio format. Its application age group is adult and screen resolution is 450 by 450. It also has a world clock in 4G network mode. It has a ceramic case, beautiful material silica gel band material. It also has a 2200 charging compartment and 450 mAh battery capacity. It supports English, Russian, Spanish, Polish, Portuguese, Turkish, Italian, French, German, and many more.